ukubwatana kwa balimu ni gobono kwa birigo gwecokia na guchamo na kugikiria guitwa kwa balimu ni bibago anenekero bagukora emirimo yabo asibono babeire bakugikiria guitwa kwa mwalimu oyomo asinsemo ya lugari mubaro monene bwa balimu abo nigo babeire bagwecokia na boigo gwikirana ase okomwenia omwalimu uyu Nyagusira Stephen Obiero oyo obeteka gusiria obuguma bwaye asinsemo ya butaranda bumachoge na nigo bono babeire bakorokia okogechigwo kwabo okubwatikana nege kolekyo ase omwalimu uyu abeteka gwitwa ase chinsemo cha lugari abarayi babalimu abo nigo babeire bagusaba chinsemo chiri chitenenerete wesokia na gutuka na kubabeka biara bali bonsi babete bagwikirania egekolekyo nabo bagenderete gwikirania ebikolebyo ase chinsemo na kubabeka biara na kubimukiria egetambukiro umurikito Gilbert Kobi otwaliganirie orobochurua
nase ekenyuro kia butaranda ime ya sensemo yeberege bumachoge burabu asamatanga yokomenya Nyagusira omwalimu Stephen Obiero kiraro abubwatani bekisemi nabo yigomo n'abalimu mbesogeti asoko mulero omwalimu uyu iteretwa sensemo ya Western bakora wono muriki obo monene wekiombe kiana taurusagia rwagucha Lucifera Gitoi nigo batebire buna abari bumenyerete obwoba ase chinsemo bagosomera chinsemo cyesukuru gusiri banyako bakurusi warwa sengencho yo kubengwa nebibago.
That if our teachers in Western wamefanya kazi ya kutosha na wanapomaliza wanamaliza kama kifo kama maiti, afadhali wote tuletewe hapa. We have so many people here who have come from outside and we are taking very good care of them. Last time we were burying another teacher at Kakero who was murdered the same way this one has been murdered and under very flimsy issues. So we are saying this and take this back to Kakamega. That those people from Gucha said, hao walimu wote wenye wako Western ambayo kazi yao imetosha sasa imebaki ni kifo warudishwe hapa. We have a lot of places to accommodate them.
Abalimu konyora bagokora emirimo nere Nyagusira asensemo ya rugari nigo bakoragwa no muri kyobo omonene Martin Waswa nigo bagikirie korwe ikyo na gusaba buna unenki wakunyako bagwikiranirwa no bulindi bunyako bwikiranirwa asabalimu nabo igo uko na cheki na kumurikyo omonene ogucha gota buna bali bunyako bakorera gusi ngo bagitamukire getagani kolende bagikunyako bakomenya asobwamo
that when you come to Lugari we have so many Kisi teachers who are teaching over there. Most of them they have settled there, others are married there, na tunakaa nao vizuri sana. Even me as a person, my best friend is a Kisi, anatoka pande hii. Therefore the issue kwamba waje pande hii tunasema sisi tunakaa nao vizuri. This is an exceptional case and we are condemning this kind of killing. Wale watu ambao walikuza kwa huyu mwalimu, watu wote ambao walitoa pesa, mimi nasema na wasipate amani hapa duniani.
Waswani garagiririe ogwitwa kwa mwalimu uyo na gutaka abagusi gokore ekemira kiabo asensemo ya bori bachakire nyako bagokore ekemira kiabo libali bonse bayikirane tasogwe muito mwalimu uyo nyako bakonyore gesuru bwango iga
wao waishi kule Gorogoroni. And the way madam amesema we have already arrested 2 and we are looking for 2 more, na tunataka kuhakikisha kwamba kabla mwalimu afike kabla mwalimu amalize mwezi mmoja, naomba kwamba hao pia watakuwa wameshikwa kwa sababu wako kwa DCI rada na watashikwa na pia watafika mahakamani.
Na araringe kurwase ensamo ya butaranda ime ya eberege mu machoge burabu account ni ya Kisi nkuri boterege temba Marietane Gilbert Kobi.